Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we're driving through Spanish Town today, or we're heading towards Spanish Town. We're in St. Catherine now, an area called Angels. And when you come off the north-south highway at the Angels exit, this is where you'll come out. Okay, if you turn right, that will take you towards the Bogwalk Gorge, which leads to Bogwalk, Linstead, Yorktown, Mount Ross, or Ocho-Rios. You turn left here and it takes you into Spanish Town and then Kingston. So today we're going to drive through Spanish Town. Now Spanish Town is probably the most historic city in Jamaica. It's definitely one of the most famous because of its history, and it has one of the largest populations in Jamaica. Now Spanish Town was the capital of Jamaica when Jamaica was ruled by the Spanish, and the English captured Jamaica from the Spanish in the 1600s. I'm going to say 1655, and then so Spanish Town is over 500 years old, or 500 years. It was the stronghold or the most popular city for the Spanish during that era, I would say, when the Spanish was in the Caribbean. So all the historic sites, there's between when the British took it over, they held Jamaica or occupied Jamaica until the 1960s. So you're going to see a lot of buildings that have a Spanish design and a lot of buildings that have the English design. Okay, so we're now entering Spanish Town. The area we're in now is called Angels, and we're heading towards the town of Spanish Town, the actual town itself. Spanish Town has one of the largest populations in Jamaica. So outside of Kingston and Portmore, Spanish Town has the largest population. And between Kingston, from Spanish Town to Kingston, it's probably a 15-20 minute drive. There is also a highway connecting Spanish Town to Kingston. And then from Spanish Town to Portmore, it's probably another 10-minute drive. There's also a highway connecting it. So you'll find Spanish Town has a geography. It's in a good location. So you find people live in Spanish Town and go over to Portmore to work, or go over to Kingston to work, and then come back over in the evening. And likewise, you have persons that leave from Portmore, come over to Spanish Town. Spanish Town has a lot of wholesale stores, and a lot of business places have locations in Spanish Town. You'd find like every bank, every government agency has an office in Spanish Town. Every major institution. It's like Spanish Town is like the fourth city in Jamaica. Has a lot of schools. It's like a self-contained unit. You have everything there. You have a lot of supermarkets. But it's more of it has a certain area that has a lot of wholesale stores, so you'd find people coming there because you get better bargains. So during the day it's a very busy place. And also the buses run through Spanish Town, all the taxis, so you find a lot of people using it every day. But the part we're going to now, we're going to drive through some of the historic sites. Like the oldest church in Jamaica is in Spanish Town. The oldest bridge, well, that is Bog Walk, the Bog Flat Bridge, which is in Bog Walk, which is just outside Spanish Town. The oldest cast iron bridge in the English Caribbean is also in Spanish Town. The Spanish Town Courthouse, that's where, well, naturally it's in Spanish Town, but it's a historic site now. Okay, so we're driving into Spanish Town now. It slipped me the name of this road. I'll leave the comments in this, or if anybody knows, they can leave it in the comment section. It's Brunswick Avenue, right? Now there are two main roads in Spanish Town, Brunswick Avenue and, oh my god, Brunswick, and both roads lead into Spanish Town, so you take them to go in and you take them to come out. I soon tell you the name of the other road, but this is one of the main roads. And if you enter in Spanish Town from the Ocho Rios end or the Bog Walk Gorge or the Bog Walk end, this is the road you take, Brunswick. So on the left is a gas station and then a supermarket or a plaza. And you're going to find some of the larger supermarkets in Jamaica in Spanish Town. The food stores, I guess it's because of the large population and the small area, but everything is bigger over here. Okay, so on the left, that's the Brunswick Plaza. There's a Shoppers Fair, Domino's. Okay, on the left coming up now is a housing complex that NHT recently built. Okay, the name of the other road is Burke Road. So if you're coming from Kingston and you're going into Spanish Town, you would go through Twincombe Park and then go on to Burke Road, and that leads you into Spanish Town. So those are the two most popular roads. As you can see, this is a residential area, a lot of homes, but as we go further down and get closer to the actual city, you're going to find a lot more commercial buildings or commercial establishments. As we said earlier, you're going to find every fast food restaurant, they have a location here, every bank, every government agency. You're going to find a lot of wholesale stores, a lot of plazas, and of course, a lot of churches. Okay, on the right is one of the newer gas stations, the Jampet gas station. On the right is another plaza. This one has a casino in it. So we're on Brunswick Avenue heading towards the town of Spanish Town. As we said, this is the more residential part. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.